Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. I have my girls standing here. It's still Thanksgiving weekend, and I wanted my girls in the video one more time in their Thanksgiving outfits. I know Christmas is coming, and I know you have holiday plans, but don't wish your life away. Don't get in a hurry and wish those days away, because every day gone is gone. This is from Jaime. Let's talk about it with Jaime, and let's see what's in there. I call Happy Mail a hug in a box. And if you ever met Jaime, I have on a couple of occasions. Jaime's a hugger, and she really hugs, like hangs on, love it. If you don't know Jaime's channel, you should stop by. She does incredible things. Really incredible things. There is a card. Jaime has my favorite video ever, and that's her circus. I can't remember the exact name, but it's Blythe dolls at the circus, and many of them are the performers. She has everything. It is incredible. It is worth going to her channel to see, but she does other things. I mean, that's just my favorite. Your favorite might be in another video. She also does a series on dolls, different dolls. Right now she's doing a series on rag dolls, and it is fantastic. She's giving the history and everything. Go by her channel. Christmas blessings. Marna and Darren, Merry Christmas and a Dolly New Year. May your holiday season be blessed with true meaning of Christmas. Your girl, Jaime. Let's talk about it. Very nice card. Yes, please keep Christ in Christmas. Let's see what's in this package. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a Christmas ornament doll that is a rag doll angel. Oh, isn't that adorable? Thank you, Jaime. I really appreciate that. He is cute. He is Raggedy Andy-ish, but not really. Look at little jeans, isn't that cute? Thank you so much. Honestly, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.